Everyone, welcome back to our eBay Flips channel. So for today, we got a total of 34 leads, 22 coming from eBay OA, and then 12 coming from eBay RA. So let's check some of the deals that we got, starting off with the toy shop. The Sonic Hedgehog Vector 4-inch, you could buy for £11 and sell it for 21.45, double its price. Another Sonic Motobug deal that you could buy for £6 and sell it for 12.99. Another Sonic Hedgehog, which is Dr. Eggman. Buy this for £6 and sell it for 15.48. There you go, guys. Great deals and finds just from the toy shop. So check out the rest of the website that we got for you guys because we got a lot of deals for you today. If you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you some options: review giveaways, affiliate income, bounty bonus, and job opportunities. So if you're interested, feel free to check these channels out. There you go. So we got a bot operated channel for you guys, which is the price drop monitoring, wherein you can see all the latest deals on price drops of these websites, starting from 30% price drop up to 80 or more percent, guys. So check out the rest of the websites that we got. Another bot operated channel is this Amazon to eBay Flips, wherein you could see all the latest deals from Amazon that you could flip and sell to your eBay account. So check out the rest of them because they have a lot. So lastly, our general community that you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it. And of course, share achievements with. That will be all for a recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day. Bye, everyone.